Hello, before we begin this presentation, we'd like to quickly introduce ourselves. I'm Aya and here is my partner.
Hello, I'm Hanna. In this video, we would like to take this opportunity to present about our edible film as a plastic-free alternative to instant drink packaging.
Let me start by giving you some background information. Did you know that according to Indonesian National Plastic Action Partnership, Indonesia produces an estimated 85,000 tons of plastic waste per day?
According to World Economic Forum, 70% of Indonesia's plastic waste, or 4.8 million tons per year, is mismanaged in numerous ways, such as 48% open burning, 30% dumped on land or in poorly managed official dump sites, and 9% leaking into waterways and the ocean. Therefore, with this project that we made, we're trying to find about how can we make biodegradable and environmentally friendly instant drink packaging. Secondly, what are the benefits of instant drink packaging made of ginger and tapioca starch over regular instant drink plastic packaging? And third one, aside from being used as food, what else can ginger be used for?
What are our goals in creating this project? First, reducing the amount of instant drink packaging waste that is difficult to recycle and decompose in soil. Second, make use of the benefits of ginger plants, which were previously only used for food preparation. Third, find out more about ginger. Here are the tools and the materials that we need. For the materials, there are ginger plants, tapioca starch, aquades, ethanol 70%, CMC, and lastly, glycerol.
For the tools, there are oven, distillation tool, baking tray, beaker glass, Erlenmeyer flask, measuring cylinder, separator funnel, electrometer, and a stirring rod. Next, we are going to show you the process of making the edible film from ginger extract. The first step. In this step, we just have to wait for the ginger to dry under the sun or room temperature for about 5 days. You can also dry it in the oven for a faster results. The second step. The dried ginger plants is then placed in a bottle vessel with 70% ethanol added. After giving it a good shake to incorporate all the ingredients, set it aside for 5 days. The extraction ratio for the solute and solvent is 1/6.
Third step, we use a technique called distillation. This technique is used to separate the ginger plant extract from the alcohol. It will take around 5 hours. Fourth, in this step, we use an equipment called separator funnel, which is used to complete the purification process. Fifth step, to make tapioca starch and CMC gel formation, prepare the tapioca starch and the CMC on the scale. Then, heat up the 100 ml aquades until it reaches 60 degrees Celsius. After that, add the CMC and tapioca starch to the aquades and continue to stir in 60 degrees Celsius.
Sixth step, ginger extract gel formation. We combine both of the CMC mixture and the tapioca starch mixture, and then we divide them into 4 equal portions. The ginger plant extract is then added in different concentrations of 0%, 2.5%, 5%, and 7.5%. Seventh step. After allowing the gel mixture to cool down to room temperature, the gel mixture is then poured into the mold and flattened until it is thin with no air voids. Then the mold is dried into the oven at a temperature of 45 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius for 24 hours. The last step is finishing the product. The edible film are cut into 4 x 6 cm sizes for instant drink packaging. The image below is an example of the edible film.
As you can see, our project is not completely finished. Due to limited research time, we were unable to complete our research on the use of ginger plant into edible film. We will continue to make improvements to our experiments and look for other alternatives to make this project more sustainable in the future. These are the results of our research, which included the use of ginger plant, tapioca starch, CMC, distilled water or aquades, and glycerol.